Beetroot Quinoa Arugula Salad with Orange Ginger Recipe. Yield: 2 large servings, 4 small servings. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 30 minutes. Total time: 40 minutes. Ingredients: salad. 2 medium beetroots, peeled, quartered. 1/2 cup 85 grams dry quinoa. 1/2 vegetable bouillon cube. 1.5 cups 400 grams cooked chickpeas. 1 medium orange, peeled, sliced into thin rounds. 3 cups 60 grams arugula. Ingredients: dressing. 1 medium orange, juice and zest. 1 clove garlic. 1 cm piece ginger, peeled. 2 tablespoons 30 ml tahini, sesame seed butter, pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Wrap the quartered beetroots in foil and bake at 200 C, 400 F until soft, about 30 minutes. Allow to cool and cut into bite-sized pieces. Alternatively, you could steam the beetroots on the stove until soft. 2. In a small pot on high heat add the quinoa, 1 cup water and crushed bouillon cube. Bring to a boil, then reduce to simmer uncovered until cooked, about 15 minutes. 3. Make the dressing by adding all the ingredients to a high-speed blender and blending until well combined. 4. When the quinoa is cooked, add the chickpeas and toss these in the dressing. 5. To plate, add the arugula as the base, top with quinoa and chickpea mixture, and garnish with the orange slices and roasted beetroots. Enjoy! Notes. 1. If cooking from dry beans, this is about 3/4 cup dry beans. If using canned chickpeas, this is the amount in a 400 grams can. 2. Variations: add your leafy green of choice if not arugula. Add other fruits such as fresh red grapes, apple slices, or fresh strawberries. Add raw or roasted nuts or seeds of choice if desired. 3. Speed it up: using canned cooked beetroots speeds up this recipe. 4. Storage: store the quinoa and chickpea mixture in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. If saving for later, avoid tossing this mixture with the greens and fruit to avoid wilting and spoiling. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.